Gal. Yes, that's gonna happen here in the Spanish classes. I do have an area for playing, for coloring, for painting, for doing lots of crafts, but also I do have a very special place where I do have all kind of material. So and yes, I do have any kind of things that children need. I do have tea sets. I do have houses. I do have farms. I do have people. I do have family. I do have everything to cover a lot of topics. And also do have a very special space over here. That is my storytelling a corner. Exactly, this is it. And actually, these are all my places that I use for telling the stories. And also I do have my teepee. If you see my teepee, can come over here as well. And so we are ready to either use it in here or also take it to the park. But anyway, another thing that I wanted to show you here is not just I focus on children. I do have a lot of material, visuals, because a lot of people love to work with visuals, and visuals is the best way for you to learn Spanish. And I do have here main topics, grammatic, heavy duty grammar topics, where I cover. So I do have different kind of topics and chapters. If you can see, I do have many. So it's going to be easy for you to learn the language. And whatever I was just saying, I manage a lot of, these are my visuals, these are for my storytelling. So in that corner I can tell stories so kids are able to understand everything. Most of the time I use my glove, but sometimes also I use my corners. And of course I work with money. They love to work with money, and you know why? Because money allow me to control the class, but also they love it because I do manage my beautiful store, mi tienda. They love to shop from my store. So they need to make money, work hard in Spanish, make money, and come to my shop and buy any candy they want. What else I can show you? So I do have all the books. And by the way, these are my newest books that I published, and you can come over here and buy directly from me. So that would be very great. You support local artists, and of course, I do have other books that that I work, so parents can see the way how children learn and the way how we've been working with other children. So I do have kind of like a model workbook. All these books are published by myself. And remember, Reto Bilingüismo is also a publisher. And what else do I have? I have everything. And if you want to buy any of my books, you can come over here and buy directly from me. This is the Garalingua. And of course, I do have the weather here, and I do have my board here. And okay, it's time to rest, and it's time for you to take some free Spanish classes before you sign up. And I'm going to be here. So, and then officially we're going to open on August. So I hope to see you here. So bye-bye.